Okay, fine. Now see, till now we have studied from chapter number 2, we have studied how to solve ordinary differential equation. So ODE means what? The differential equation or derivative with respect to single variable, and PD means partial differential equation, that is the derivative with respect to two or more variables. So under the head of ODE, we have four methods. We have studied Taylor series method, then Euler's equation, okay, then Runge-Kutta fourth order and Runge-Kutta second order method. Try to remember this formula. So here you must understand how to perform iteration, and for doing second iteration, okay, what are the values of x0 and y0, and remember this formula. In case of Runge-Kutta's first order method, we have see in all four methods we are finding yg. Okay, yg. So each and every formula will start with yg only for Runge-Kutta fourth order method and second order method. Formula is same. Yg is equal to y0 plus k, but k is different for fourth order method. So k is equal to 1 upon 6 into bracket k1 plus 2, k2 plus 2, k3 plus k4. And how to find k1 and how to find k2, k3, k4. In case of Runge-Kutta second order method, k is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket k1 plus k2. So formula of k1 is same for both h into f of x0, y0. Okay. In case of both, k1 is same. So k2 is equal to, in case of Runge-Kutta fourth order method, k2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus k1 by 2. So here y0 plus k1 we have from it is previous value. Then k3 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus k2 by 2, and k4 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h, comma y0 plus k3. In case of Runge-Kutta second order method, k2 is equal to k2 means k4. Okay, k2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h, comma y0 plus k1. We use previous value. Now today we will see one method, that is from partial differential equation. So in partial differential equation, might be might be knowing Laplace equation or Paul's equation. Okay. So today we will see how to solve Laplace equation. So that means what? See, we have provided one plate 6. We have provided one plate means we have provided one square. Let's consider it is a plate, and you have provided four temperature. Four means it is border temperature. See, if it is having 100 degrees Celsius, it is having 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, see, when this is a temperature, this is having 60 degrees Celsius, and this is having 70 degrees Celsius, and you have asked one question, that is find the temperatures. Okay, inside to this plate. Suppose you can have mesh like this. Say it is equally distributed, and you have to find the temperature at this node, temperature at this node, temperature at this means we have a four nodes. We have to find the temperature. Okay, temperature at each nodes. How to find that if we have provided Laplace equation and when we have provided Poisson's equation. Okay, so write down one line what is meant by partial differential equation. So write down partial differential equation means, write down. Can anyone please tell me what is meant by PDE? Yes, what is PDE? Anyone? Anyone say we are near about 70 to 60. Tell me what is PDE?
Partial differential equation.
That is partial differential equation. So how you can distinguish between ODE and PDE? ODE and PDE. Yes, ODE and
Different
PDE.
Differential with
differential
respect to only one
respect
variable
to
means OD.
Okay, differential with respect to one variable, differential with respect to two or
More.
more variables. Okay, two or more variables. Okay. Now under this same ODE, already we have studied both methods. That is Euler's equation. Can anyone tell me what is the formula of Euler's equation? Yes, simple. Euler's equation.
Yg is equal to
Y is
y0
equal to y0 plus h
x
into f
f
of
x0 y0.
x0 y0. Now tell me what will be the formula of y6? What will be the formula of y6? you take reference of values of previous iterations. So previously
Y5.
we were having y6, and how to find y6 we require x6. Now how we can write formula of y6?
Y5
Y
plus
5 plus
Y5
H.
plus H
H. F of X5 plus
X5
Y.
plus
Okay,
Y5.
fine. Y5 plus h into f on x5 comma y5. Is it correct? Hello? Please tell me, is it correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is this correct? Now tell me, what is the formula of Taylor series equation? Okay, Taylor series equation.
Yg is equals to
Y is equal to
Y0
y0 plus
H into Y dash
h
of X0
into y dash of x0 plus h
square
square
by
in h square divided by
2 factorial
2 factorial into
Y dash of X0
y double dash
double dash Y double dash.
y double dash of x0. Okay, solve up to 4. Okay, 4 will take the 4 up to 4 derivation. Okay, now here we will see partial differential equation. Under this, we can study how to solve Laplace equation. Okay, tomorrow we'll see quadratic equation, and after tomorrow we'll see elliptic equation. So in coming 3 days, today we will Thursday, we will finish this chapter. Just minute hold. Yeah. Okay, so try to remember this formula. If you know the formula, then you can easily solve this. Most important, how to calculate xg. Sorry, how to calculate h. Please anyone, how to calculate h? Yes.
xg minus x0 upon
Xg
n.
minus X0 upon
How to
N.
calculate n? See, most important thing, it is up to you. If n and h both are not given, then it is up to you. So try to, if n and h both are not given, so always do only one iteration. Okay, if that question is for 8 marks or 4 marks, do one iteration. So let's take n is equal to 1, and on the basis of n, calculate h. Okay, if n and h are given, then you have to do it. That means 2 or 3 iteration. But if both are not given, then don't take n is equal to 2, 3, 4. Just take n is equal to 1 and finish that problem. Okay. No one can hurt your marks. But you have to write here assume n is equal to 1. Okay. Now say we'll start Poisson's equation. Okay. Poisson's equation. Write down the format of Poisson's equation. So it is, sorry, Laplace equation. It is very simple. Laplace equation. Write down. Laplace equation is given by. Write down. Laplace equation is given by. Okay. Laplace equation is, or you can say it is represented as del square u upon, or say you can say gamma square u upon gamma x square plus gamma square u upon gamma y square is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. In other words, you can have like this: uxx plus uy is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. And again, it is represented as del square u is equal to 0. If you find any of this, anyone in your problem statement, then you can easily understand this is Laplace equation. Or in other words, if you find is equal to 0, is equal to 0, is equal to 0, then you can say it is Laplace equation. Or what is the Poisson's equation? Okay, Poisson's equation, if you find it similar, that is left side is similar, gamma x square plus gamma u upon gamma y square is equal to, if you find any equation in terms of x and y, means is equal to x raised to 3 plus cos x, like that, or x raised to 3 plus cos y. So if you find is equal to f of xy is equal to something, then you can say it is Poisson's equation. In similar manner, you can write ux plus uy is equal to f of x1. You can find del square u is equal to f of xy. So try to understand the difference between Laplace and Poisson. If you find t is equal to 0, it is Laplace. If you find t is equal to f of xy, okay, it is f of xy because say here is f of x it is the derivative with respect to x and y. Okay. Try to understand this. So Laplace equation is are in form. So out of this, you can have question like this: solve the Laplace equation. Okay, by using Laplace equation. Okay, by using Laplace equation, or you can have solve this gamma square over gamma square plus gamma square upon gamma is equal to 0. Okay, you cannot have any specific name, whether it is Laplace or Poisson. You can have any one form. Okay, then if you find S square u is equal to f of x, then you can say it is Poisson's equation. If you find this equal to 0, to try to solve by using Laplace equation. Okay, method is same, there is slight change. Okay, so today we will see how to solve this Laplace equation problem. Okay, now write down. Have you written these forms? Yes. Hello. Have you written these forms?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now say for only it is having one single formula for both the method. Okay, so we will study first only Laplace equation. Okay, write down Laplace equation. Okay, and write down this. Once you have written these forms, under this write down one single line. It is also called as two-dimensional steady-state heat flow equation. Two-dimensional steady-state heat flow equation. Two-dimensional steady-state heat flow equation. That is gamma square u upon gamma x square plus gamma square u upon gamma y square is equal to 0, or uxx plus uyy is equal to 0, or del u is equal to u square. Okay, so del u square is equal to 0. So out of this you can have any. Okay, you can have any del square u is equal to 0. Okay, so again write down below. Okay, just draw one square. You can have this diagram in question. Just now I have told you can have provided all surface temperature or boundary condition, boundary temperature, say 60 degrees centigrade, say 70 degrees centigrade. This is 80, and say this is 100. Okay. And you can have question: find the temperature, find the inside temperature. And okay, so you can have this partition also. Okay, and we can have a question: find the temperature at node 1, find the temperature at node 2, find the temperature at node 3, find the temperature at node 4. So you have to find the temperature at this. Or in some cases, you can have question like this, same question, but see here, same question, but see. Okay, in that problem, we can have, see here. So throughout this surface, the temperature is 60. Throughout this surface, temperature is 70. At this surface, temperature is 80. At this surface, temperature is 100. So instead of giving this, you can have, we have provided temperature at here. So this is 10. This is 20. This is 30. This is 30. You can have here 60. You can have 80, you can have here 100, you can have 110, this is 40, this is 60. Okay, here you can have provided 30, here you can have provided say 60, here you can have provided 70, like that, here say 10, like that. Okay, and we have provided question. Okay, that means at each and every outsider node we have provided the temperature, and you can have a question: find the temperature at. Or you can have a question, simple, given T1, T2, T3 and T4. Find T1, T2, T3, T4 by using Laplace equation by using Laplace equation. Okay, now we will, I will tell you one single formula is required to find T1, T2, T3, T4. So one formula I will tell you for T1. Okay, you can generate formula for T2, formula of T4, and formula of T3 and T4. Any. Okay, any. Okay, now most important part. See, most important. How many nodes? See, we have to find the temperature at how many nodes? Here 4 nodes. Here also 4 internal temperature. So please remember, if we have to find temperature of 4 nodes, then we have to form 4 equations with respect to each and every node. We have to form 4 equations. Means each equation at each node. If at T1 we can form one equation. At T2, next equation, T3, next, and T4 means 4 equation. And once we have this 4 equation, then we can solve those 4 equations by using Gauss elimination method or Gauss Seidel method. Okay, Gauss elimination method or Gauss Seidel method. This is very simple. But see, in Gauss elimination method, we have solved those problems having only 3 equations. Now here we can have 4 equations. Okay, max to max 4 equations. What is that formula? Now, what is that formula? Okay, now let's pay attention. This is very important. You are only 77 in numbers, and our strength is 157. Okay, not say 50% also. Okay. See, see how much you are serious about this subject. Fine. Okay. Now, this is your concern. Now, see what I told you. Okay, see, this is T1, T2, T4, and T3. Okay. In some cases, you can have instead of having T, you have to calculate U1, U2, U3, U4 like that. U1, U2, U3, U4. Here, U1, U2, U3, and U4. Okay, so I will tell you the formula for U1. You can get to this, you can write this formula for T1. Set. Now, for please remember this 60 degrees centigrade, it is for this whole surface. Means at this point also 60, at this point is also 60, but here at this point it is 10, at this point it is 20. Okay, it is 20. Now, how to solve this? Okay, now. Okay, let's take U1. So we can write U1 is equal to, okay, U1 is equal to this. We have to find U1. Okay, U1. So see here, how many nodes are given? We have to find temperature of 4 nodes. Now see, okay, U1. So firstly, I will say here, firstly, separate or draw this plus sign. That means this is, and here is U1. Here is U1. Okay, so we have to find the temperature at U1. Okay, so now this above value, you can say it is UT. Just a minute. Location. In some books it is UL. Okay, okay, fine. UT. Okay, UT means value at. Now here we can see it is value at bottom. UT. Here you can see this value is right side, so you can write U and this is you can write UL. Okay, UL. So here so you can write C plus 9. This is the node we have got which we have the value, and write here T. Okay, T top, then T bottom, then T right, small or capital whatever, and T L, T left. And your aim is to find this value is to find U1. Now, how we can see? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this average means we have to take addition divided by 4. Then you can write U1 is equal to U1 is equal to take average means here we have these 4 values. We have here these 4 values. So take its average, that is fine. So you can write it is UT plus UR plus UB plus UL divided by 4. So this is the value of u1. This is the value of u1. Now tell me, on without drawing this, okay, without doing this, you can easily manage this. How to write? Directly you can write u1 is equal to, see here, u1, we have plus sign, so it is 60. So, see, 1, 4 into bracket 60 plus, this is u2, right? Or here u2 as it is, plus u4, okay, u4 plus this is 100, okay, this is 100. We can easily manage this. We can easily manage this. But try to write this formula at once only. Try to write this formula at once only, and we have to write here u1 is equal to unknown value at node 1. You can write unknown value and 1. Fine. Then ut, what you can write ut, top value, you can write top value of at 1, or you can write top value at 1, or you can write, okay, top value, okay. Or you can say node value to node value, you can write in node value to top of 1. Next, you are, what you can write, node value right of 1. Okay, next, up, what you can write, node value to bottom of 1. And ul, you can write node value to left side of 1. Okay, left side of 1. So please remember this one, you can easily write. So whenever you have this question, you have to write this formula at once only. So it is not required to write at each and every step. To see, okay, see u1. Similarly, we can form for u2. Now tell me how we can form equation for u2. Yes, tell me how we can form equation at u2. Anyone please reply me. Anyone?
u2 equal to 1 by 4 in the bracket.
1 upon 4 is the average. 1 upon
In the
4
bracket,
into bracket.
u1 plus u3 plus 130.
u1 plus u3 plus 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60. For u3, how we can form equation? u3 is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket u2 plus this value is 70 plus 80 plus u4, and for u4 is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket u1 plus u3 plus 80 plus 100. 80 plus 100. So here, see, use same formula, but see here, it is this value is what value provided node on that surface. So T1, how we can find T1? T1 is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket 10 plus T2 plus T4 plus 60. T2, how we can write? 1 upon 4 into bracket 20 plus 60 plus T3 plus T1. T3 is equal to, anyone please tell me, what is T3?
T2
1 upon 4 into bracket 2 plus 50 plus 60 plus T4. Okay? And 44, let's focus this here 4 and this value. Okay, so this is count value, this is right side value, this is something value, this is left side value. Okay? Can we solve a numerical? Yes? Hello? It will take 10 minutes, max 10 minutes. Okay? That's no problem. Yes. It is very simple. It is very that means simple equations. Okay, means we have to convert those four equations. We can solve using Gauss-Seidel or Gauss elimination method. Better to solve by using Gauss elimination. Okay, it is simple. Just hold. We'll take one numerical. Try to write answer up to 4 decimal places. Okay. Sure. Solve the Laplace equation. Let's solve the Laplace equation. that is given del square u is equal to 0 for given boundary conditions. Okay. On given boundary condition. Now we have provided this rectangle. Okay. Now we'll see how to solve this. Okay. Now and see if distance between two successive nodes. It is called mesh length. Just remember this. Just a minute. It is called as mesh length. Okay, just remember. It is required for Poisson's equation. Okay, now see the value 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 40, and say 20, and here it is U1, U2, U3, U4. Okay, U4. Okay. Now, hello, yes. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Hello.
Yes, sir.
पीसी बंद झाला रे जस्ट मिनिट एक हाँ पिन लूज झाले काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे ओके तुम्हाला दिसतो का बोर्ड
Yes, sir.
ओके एक मिनिट हाँ ठीक है यस नाउ ओके स्टार्ट ओके once you are when you are solving, please draw as it is. Okay, don't use scale and all. Just draw square, just draw vertical to horizontal line. But while writing these numbers, be careful. Once you have written, please cross check. Okay, now write down formula for U1 only. Okay, so now we can write. We have to solve what? Del square U is equal to 0. Okay, del square U is equal to 0. Now then write at node 1. Okay, at node 1 comma we can write U1. Add on formula U1 is equal to what is the formula? U top plus value at top plus value at bottom plus value towards right side plus value towards left side divided by 4. Now put this value. Now see U1. This is U1. So make this only plus. Don't say this 40. Okay. So this only. Or if you confuse, then you can mark draw. You can write draw here. This is U1. So top value is 10. Right side value is U2. Bottom value is U3. And this is 20. Now take it away. You can write 10 plus say bottom or any clockwise going problem. Say U2 plus U3 plus 20 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Correct. Now let's cross multiply. Then we can have 4U1 is equal to U2 plus U3 plus 30. Okay, plus 30. So see here we have U1, U2, U3, U4, and you have written this equation. Now see here, most important part. So see here we have only U1, U2, U3, U4 is missing. So try to write each and every equation with respect to these 4 values of U. Means U1, U2, U3, U4. So here value of U2 is 0. So you can write and see. Okay. Take all values of U towards one side and numbers towards right side. So what we can write here? 4U1 minus U2 minus U3. Okay. Plus 0U4 is equal to 30 is equal, and while writing this equation, with this sequence U1, U2, U3 and U4, we we can assign this as a equation 1. We can assign this as a equation 1. Okay. Now, yes, this is for 1. Now, we can go for and node second, or you can say node 2. Okay, node 2. What you can have? Under I will equation. Okay, second. And U2, you can write, U2 don't write formula. U2 is equal to, make this plus. Now U2 is equal to, Sanga,
20 plus 40 plus
20
U4 plus
plus
U.
40 plus U4 plus U1 divided by 4. So 20 plus 40 plus U4 plus U1 divided by 4. Again, cross multiply. We can have 4U2 is equal to U1 plus U4 plus 60. So in this case, U3 is missing. So add U3 and have to write this equation. Start with U1. U2, U3, what is equal to? How we can write U1 minus 4U2 plus 0U3, okay, plus what you can write plus U4 is equal to minus 60, or we can keep this as a plus and multiply here minus. No any problem. Guys, problem nothing. Assign this as a equation number 2. Okay, correct? काय करतो आपण? Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now add third point. U3 from equation U3. Tell me, anyone? Just a minute. I will ask you. Number, sorry, name. Yash Loha. आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Tell me equation for U3.
Mu3 is mu1 plus mu4
Okay.
plus mu4. So 60 plus 40 divided by 4.
16 plus 40 divided by 4. Now, for this 4 U3 is equal to U1 plus U is missing, you can add. Only problem. U2 plus U4 plus. Right. Now, try to write in sequential manner 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have U1 plus 0 U2, okay, minus 4 U3 plus U4 is equal to minus. Is it correct? No? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now, fourth one. And U4. कौन सांगतो बघू? U4. Deepak Patel. U4. Tell me. And U4.
1 by 4 into U3 plus U2 plus 50 plus 60.
Okay, so we can write U4 is equal to 1/4 into this one. So U2 plus C. You would say U3 clockwise. U2 plus U3 plus 50 plus 60. So it is 1 0. Okay, so it is 4U4 is equal to, now here U1 is missing, so we can write 0 U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus 100. While writing maintain sequence. So four things.
Sir, 110, sir.
Oh, fine. 110. 110. So we can write 0 U1 plus U2 plus U3 minus 4 U4 is equal to minus 110. Okay. Minus 110. We can assign this as a equation number. Okay. So write down this. Okay. So we have 4 equations. Now we can solve this by using Gauss elimination method. Okay. Yes, up to this, you can have this question for say 10 marks. 10 marks. Okay. Yes, any doubt up to this? Hello? Hello? त्या बुक मध्ये काही बघू नका. काही नोटेशन जोडल्या असतील गडबड होते सांभाळून ठीक आहे एनी डाउट अप टू दिस यस सौरभ जयदेव
No, sir.
आकांक्षा अनिकेत प्रतीक भोसले का डाउट है करे
No, sir.
okay now just tell me those four equations okay just a minute and you have this now please tell me all four equation manner so in this case u1 first u1 u2 so maintain sequence the pattern while forming matrix okay so initially try to maintain this sequence with first u1 u2 u3 if any was missing then take coefficient 0 now tell me your first equation yes what is that equation hello yes
4u1
fine माइनस नहीं है 4u1
minus u2
minus u2
minus u3
minus u3
plus 041
0 u4 बरोबर
is equals to 30.
is equal to 30 second one yes
u1
u1
minus 4u2
तुम्ही थांबा u1 minus
4u2
4u2
plus 0u3
0 u3
plus u4 equal to minus 60.
minus 60 next one तुम्ही सांगा
U1
okay just a minute u1
plus 0 U2
0 u2
minus 4 U3
4 u3
plus U4
plus u2 okay
is equal to minus 100.
now next one now see it is very simple here it is 0 0 0 okay 0 0 0 here u1 u2 u3 now u2 have been put okay remember next one 0 u1
plus u2 plus u3 minus 4 u4 is equal to minus 110.
now we have these four equations okay now try to solve this by using cross elimination method it is very simple it's very simple now what is the method for cross elimination method see it is equal to our number means what is it non-homogeneous set of equations we can solve this yes कोण सांगतं fine कोणी सांगत नाही we have last time झालं तरी नाही we have last 5 minutes yes tell me how to solve short elimination problem प्रतीक भोसले
yes sir.
tell me
सर पहिला इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 मधून
no that is Thomas algorithm
X into D from sir.
and it is not right diagonal matrix so we can write in AX equal to D form now convert this in matrix form okay first equation means first row be careful so it is 4 minus 1 0 next one second equation 1 minus 4 0 1 next 1 0 minus 4 1 next 0 1 1 minus 4 fine now what is the next what is X matrix tell me what is X matrix Pratik
u1 u2 u3 u4
minus yes 100 so it is u1 u2 u3 and u4 now step by step so try to convert next then what we have to convert this matrix A into upper triangular form means we have to convert these elements equal to 0 okay these elements equal to 0 all of you know how to convert this I will not solve this problem I will write the answer yes at last okay
Yes,
solve
sir.
this at home and try to check these values Okay, I will write only answer. So U1 is equal to 80 divided by 3. You can write it up to 4 decimal places, no any problem. U2 is equal to 100 divided by 3. U3 is equal to 150 by 3. And U4 is equal to 140 divided by 3. You can write this up to 4 decimal places, or you can keep as it is, no any problem. Yes? Can you solve this? Can you find this value as it is value?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So please, we have to perform row operations for converting this matrix into upper triangular form. We have to use row operations. Once you convert this into upper triangular form, then put it in. Yes.
Backward substitution.
We have to apply backward substitution, means we can get U4 first, then U3, then U2, and then U1. Okay, it is so simple. It is very, very simple. Okay. Yes. Any doubt? Kam sakta? Hello.
हो sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So, fine. This is about Laplace equation. Whenever we are having Poisson's equation, and there is one more, that is parabolic explicit equation. Parabolic explicit equation. You can have this question. See, each and every numerical will ask for 8 to 10 marks. 8 to 10 marks. Okay, method is same. We have to follow same method for Poisson's equation, and see parabolic explicit solution. It is different. Okay. We'll study. Day after tomorrow. This is Monday. Up to Thursday, we will complete this chapter. Now see, have you got timetable? Hello, exam timetable.
Yes,
हो
sir.
sir.
Okay, so when it is going to start, on first or second?
First tomorrow.
First, sir.
Means tomorrow.
हो sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे पेपरच नाही काढला अजून. एक मिनिट रेकॉर्डिंग बंद होते. हां. Just a minute.